Run a rod down the bore. Make sure that it's nice and clean. How to ream a barrel. Make sure your reamer fits in the barrel without hardly touching. Get a measurement of your choke. This choke is 7/15, so it's a modified 12 gauge choke. Just run, eh?
You just go up gradually till you start to make contact.
Right, huh?
Safest thing to do.
Make it bigger, loosen the one closest to the handle.
Yeah.
Tighten the one at the bottom.
Get it right. See, they go up on a taper.
Just starting to cut there now. There you go. Right through. Pull that back. Always turn it clockwise.
Yeah.
About half a turn on the nut gives you about half a thou cut on the reamer.
Give her a squirt, yeah.
Shot of oil.
That lubricates the stem center and bushings too.
Yep. You can see the cut right there. Look at that.
Yeah.
I'm going to open it up to what, 723?
Yeah, we're pretty close to it.
I'd say that's bang on there.
Yeah.
Finish off with a nice hone. There we go, right there. Look at that. Yeah, it's coming. Just hone it just a little bit more, a little bit smoother. Keep it a medium speed.
Oh, smoked it.
Got her good too, man.
Yeah.